Hey guys, we're about to jump into the video, but I just wanted to get on here and show my face and say hello, and I hope that everybody is continuing to stay happy and healthy and sane during this crazy time. Yeah, nothing has changed on my end. I just want to make sure that you guys are loving yourself because you are awesome, you're amazing, you're worthy, and you are freaking gorgeous, male or female. You are beautiful, and yeah, I just don't want you guys to forget that because I love you guys and I care about you, and I'm just out here. I'm out here just doing my thing. I'm out here just trying to do the same. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace, and don't forget to love yourselves. So I don't want to talk through this whole video, but I want to go ahead and start off by saying that most of these shirts and some of the accessories that you see in this video are going to be for sale on my Poshmark. I will have that linked down below, so go check that out if you want to cop any of these. There are a few that are mine that I am keeping that won't be for sale, but yeah, just go check it out if you like any of these shirts. Also, I made these shorts in one of my previous videos. I'm gonna link it so you can check that out. So I always wear shorts underneath my t-shirt because they're not always long enough, but I just love the look, and the shorts keep everything tucked away. So I am sorry about my RBF. I'm not mad at all. It was just really bright outside and I could hardly see. So just don't pay my face any mind. I swear I'm happy. Adding a body chain around your waist is a cute way to make a huge t-shirt look a little feminine. Obviously, I didn't pull this one tight enough, but I love the look that it gave me, and it is so cute. I'm wearing tennis shoes with this outfit, but adding longer biker shorts and some heels would make this super cute for like a date night or something. I totally wanted to show off my little kitten clutch. Isn't this adorable? I may sell it, I may not. At some point it might go up on my Poshmark, so keep a lookout. This outfit is really cute, but it gives me mom vibes. I'm actually kind of digging it. This had to be one of my favorites. If I throw on some little black sandals, would be perfect. I had to throw on this blue jean jacket because I was loving this look too much, and I just want to wear this somewhere, but it's really nowhere to go right now. Okay, so for these next few outfits, I have these socks on. I totally wasn't paying attention because it was hot and I was trying to beat the heat, and I had them pulled up all the way up like the one on the left, but this is normally how I wear them on the right. So just kind of keep that in mind because I look like a fool in some of these next clips. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is literally my go-to outfit on a daily basis. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.